The KitchenAid heavy duty stand mixer with a full metal construction has 315 watts, a 4.8 liter heavy duty stainless steel bowl, has 10 different speed settings from 1 to 10. You use this lever to set the speed. On this side you have the lever to lift and to drop the bowl, as it's a bowl lift design. Here you can add over 10 different attachments, which we have a pasta maker available. It has 3 different attachments. There's the wire whisk, then we have the flat beater for like medium soft dough, we have the dough hook or maybe the kneading hook. This is good for heavy doughs. We have the splash guard to avoid any mess in the kitchen, and through this part you can add in to the bowl any extra ingredients. There's a bowl cover as well. This is when maybe you need your dough to rest. This appliance comes with a special feature called the planetary action. This is when this attachment is moving in one direction, the socket up here moves in the opposite direction. That makes sure that all the dough is evenly mixed. To clean it is also very easy, as all these attachments are top rack dishwasher safe, and for the body you just wipe with a damp cloth. Thank you.